Hello everyone. Today we want to show you the Intermix 50 SS tank. It's a high quality stainless steel paint mixing tank. You can connect this tank with different machines such as Graco Mark 4 or Mark 10. It's designed for proper and uniform paint mixing. On the top we have a 3-phase induction motor connected with an agitator. It can rotate up to 1400 rpm, which ensures smooth and consistent mixing, even in the thicker material also. The RPM can be adjusted as per your requirement. First, put your material through this inlet. Let me show you the inlet first. There it is. Once everything is done, switch on the motor and the mixing blade inside the tank start rotating and mixing the material properly. You can use the regulator. Let me show you the regulator first. Here it is. You can use this regulator to increase the rotation speed of the agitator from here. Here is the agitator, as you can see, which stays inside the tank. This agitator should be run continuously at a low RPM so that the paint does not settle down here. You will notice that the paint has a uniform consistency. Here is an on-off valve given below of the tank for the material to go directly to the suction hose of the connected machine. So this is the whole process of it. It is strong, compact and easy to operate. If you are looking for a reliable paint mixing solution, contact us on the number given below. We will be happy to help you. Thank you.